Okay, let's move on. Right now we have breaking news coming in. We'll bring you this. This is the Prime Minister in Barabanki right now. This is a set of comments that he's made. Okay, it's a very pointed set of comments. The Prime Minister has said in Barabanki that once the opposition comes to power, they'll lock the Ram temple and they'll run a bulldozer over it. Why don't you learn from Yogi ji the right place to use a bulldozer? Okay, let's just go over very quickly to our colleague Siddhant, but first we'll play out for you the response.
सपा कांग्रेस वाले जब मैं ये कहता हूं ना कि भाई कांग्रेस में ही रहने वाले एक नेता ने कहा है कि वे लोग ये कोर्ट का निर्णय पलटना चाहते हैं। कुछ लोगों ने यार ऐसा तो कैसे हो सकता है, भ्रम में मत रहिए। देश जब आजादी का आंदोलन कर रहा था ना और देश के टुकड़े करने की बात आती थी तो देश का हर व्यक्ति का नहीं यार देश के टुकड़े थोड़े होते हैं, देश के टुकड़े होते हैं। हो गए कि नहीं हो गए, इन्होंने कर दिया कि नहीं कर दिया, ये किसी भी हद तक जा सकते हैं जी। इनका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड ही ऐसा है। इनके लिए देश वेश कुछ नहीं है भाई, उनके लिए तो उनका परिवार और पावर, यही उनका खेल है। सपा कांग्रेस वाले सरकार में आए तो रामलला को फिर से टेंट में भेजेंगे और मंदिर पर बुलडोजर चलवा देंगे। क्या योगी जी से यही सीखना है क्या?
Let's go over to our colleague Siddhant Mishra to understand more. Siddhant, let me just tell our audiences, Barabanki, Uttar Pradesh is where the Prime Minister made this remark. He's referring to the Ram Mandir and going out and going so far as to say the opposition will lock it down. So a comment there on the Ram Mandir sentiment that we're seeing across the state. But just tell our audiences a little bit more about what he means when he says, why doesn't Yogi ji, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, teach you the right place to use a bulldozer? Who is he referring to?
Well, look, Prime Minister is in Awadh and perhaps Barabanki also is 100 kilometers away from Ayodhya. Now, this is for the second or the third time that Prime Minister is highlighting the issue of Ram Temple in his public meetings. And in fact, in the past also, he has made several remarks as far as opposition parties' position on Ram Mandir is concerned. And many of them didn't even turn up for the Pran Pratishtha ceremony. But today, while addressing a public meeting in Barabanki, Prime Minister hits back at the opposition parties by saying that if opposition will come. So look, in Uttar Pradesh, bulldozer is seen as a tool of justice being used by Yogi Adityanath. So referring to that, Prime Minister made this remark at a public meeting in Barabanki that if अगर विपक्ष के लोग सत्ता में आ जाएंगे तो वो बुलडोजर का इस्तेमाल राम मंदिर को गिरवाने में करेंगे, मंदिर तोड़वाने में करेंगे. Now look, politically speaking, Prime Minister wants opposition parties to come and react on the issue of Ram Temple, because most of these opposition leaders try to evade the question of Ram Temple when there's a journalist asks them about Ram Temple, that why they are not visiting Ram Temple, what is stopping them to go to Ram Temple. So again and again, by mentioning Ram Temple, Prime Minister wants that opposition parties should come out and clarify their position on Ram Temple. In fact, if you remember my conversation with Ram Gopal Yadav the other day in Saifai, he said that uska naksha kharab hai, wo bekar mandir hai. So such kind of statements do come from the opposition parties, but mostly opposition parties try to avoid taking questions from Ram Temple. And Prime Minister exactly wants that if he will mention Ram Temple in the public meetings in opposition, the journalists will go and ask to the opposition party that the Prime Minister has said. So Prime Minister wants them to clarify their position. And once they will clarify their position, that could perhaps benefit Bharatiya Janata Party. So, it's a political trap which perhaps Prime Minister,
Okay.
is laying for the
Siddhant, thank you for bringing us that context. We do need to head into a quick break. On the other side, more of the country's top stories. This is the Breaking News Show on CNN News 18.